Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Days and this is Sorts and Style. Guys, this is my mom and we are going Christmas shopping. Woo! Are you ready, Mom?
Let's go. Let's do it.
Go. Okay, put on your seatbelts and let's
Oh my gosh.
get going. Guys, we like Christmas and we're going shopping now. We always go shopping every year to Christmas shopping together, hey? We bond. We bond during Christmas.
Every year you get to new decorations.
Yes, that's a thing that I also got from you. Like, my mother has collected decorations over the years, you know? Every year she'll buy one thing. And so, like one little bauble or something pretty, you know? So she has like a hectic collection of Christmas things. And I tried to do that too, but my husband is not very happy that I spend money. I'm not allowed going Christmas shopping, guys, because my mother cannot drive with her. Oh my goodness. Do your mothers do that also? Like, you're just driving straight and she's like, careful, and you're just driving straight.
I'm driving straight.
I was turning, but I was in my lane.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, this right.
Anyway, guys, as I was saying, I'm not allowed going shopping. So the husband doesn't know that we're going. Don't tell him. We are. Oh, I'm going shopping with you. I'm supporting you in your shopping.
Oh yeah.
Let's just say that, okay? And this is why I have to make a lot of my decor, guys, which is a video that you are going to see when I make some decor, but I'm gonna get a little bit of extra stuff here also. Trends that we're seeing this Christmas. Let's speak about the trends, guys. We're seeing a lot of like navy, like dark, deep, rich blue, you know, and gold. That's quite a trend this year. For Christmas, we're seeing a lot of velvets, guys. Velvets. So I want to get some. I want to see if I can get some velvety stuff for my decor this year. What else are we seeing? Oh, a lot of like, you know, like the natural, neutrals, natural, foresty type vibes that we're seeing. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you my decor in another video. But I'm basically doing that, the natural, neutral, foresty type vibe. But I want to add in a little bit of red because I've got that red tablecloth that I still haven't used. Got a beautiful red tablecloth that I still haven't used. Eesh, another bottle. So guys, that's the trends. That's what I'm doing. We won't tell the husband that we went shopping. What he knows, what he doesn't know, won't hurt him.
You'll know after this.
We just won't make him watch it. Santa's house. I've lost the keys. I've lost the keys. What'd you get? Got the keys. We're going for lunch now? Are we going for lunch? Where you want to
Let's
go?
go.
To that placey.
Yeah, we can go there. You wanted to go, not me.
This is nice mother-daughter bonding
Ah.
time, hey?
Okay.
Why are we not recording?
No.
I don't know what happened there. We stopped recording.
Okay,
You're like
good. Why
half.
Why you putting
We're half.
why
Oh, face is half. Where do I go now?
that way? That way and you go out. Gashveld road.
And I didn't spend too much money
Your husband will be
at
proud of you.
Santa's warehouse.
Your husband will be proud of you.
Mm-hmm.
I also didn't spend.
But it's because I've DIY'd most of my decor already. So check out that video, guys. DIY decor. Simple. Don't have to. Turn
That way, yeah.
that way. I'm supposed to know what that way is,
That
guys.
way, you can see that way.
I don't know my left and my right because of you. I just know this way and this way. Up and down, up, down. That's what we...
We're taught.
Up and down. Go up. Getting old.
I am old.
You stress for everything.
I'm old. What you want? I just want to be at home. Peacefully.
Is this not peacefully? Is this not peaceful for you? Is a day out with me not peaceful for you?
Yeah, that's fine. It's all these cars and things. Turn left, yeah.
Where? I should have turned there.
Yeah. Well,
Can I still turn there? Still
I
got to turn
think you
there.
can go. Yeah.
Oh no, but me, I can't park
All right, we're not gonna
parallel
park here.
parking.
We're not parking here. We must turn off into one of these streets.
It's okay. Oh, there's parking in there. I could have gone in there.
All right, but all right, the parking. Let's see how to see if I can. Is it parking?
Is it a parking?
I think so. Not in front of the gate.
Gonna have to do.
It will have.
Oh, yum. Okay, guys.
Okay.
We are now lekker dik gevreet.
Sweet.
Translation, full. We're full and we're sweet. We're too sweet. We went for lunch. We ended up having cookies and sweeties and all that stuff. No lunch. That doesn't help. So now we're feeling sick and it serves us right. It serves us right.
Should have just had a pizza.
Just had a pizza.
I think you were supposed to slowly pass those cops.
I know, Mom, I'm going 60. Guys, it's been a day. It's been a full day. Shopping, of lunch, of fighting with this one in the car.
Exercises.
This lady in the car. You don't want to drive with her. Don't want to drive with him. It was fun though, Mom.
It was fun.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed. having my mom along with us for the ride. Stay tuned to check out my Christmas decorating video, my DIY decor video. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of Christmas fun, so stay tuned and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it.